My name is Navya Solkin, and the name of my project is the hashtag 60-minute challenge. I am trying to solve a problem many people in my community are facing, not being able to do anything productive or positive with their time. The hashtag 60-minute challenge is a way for people to either learn a new skill in 60 minutes or teach a certain skill in 60 minutes. After completing the challenge, they can share their productivity and spread positivity within the world using the hashtag 60-minute challenge on social media. People without jobs are able to benefit from this challenge in a positive way. They are able to focus on something productive with their time and possibly learn a new skill they otherwise would not have had the time to learn. How would this platform work? What if I wanted to learn a basic dance routine? You would simply click on I want to learn basic dance routine and would be directed to this page with all of the videos on basic dance routines on this page. What if I wanted to teach a basic dance routine? I would simply just click on I want to teach and would be directed to this page where you are able to upload a video of you teaching a basic dance routine. After either teaching or learning, you are able to share your productivity with the world using the I just completed the hashtag 60-minute challenge to beat boredom. Thank you.